Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. This is exactly how SHIB will drop zero this week. Shiba Inu news today. Shiba Inu price is setting the stage for a breakout trade later in the US session on Wednesday. The chart points to an inflection point with several indicators, and bulls need to roll the dice here if they want to use the momentum to their advantage. With the price action being underpinned and some ample room to move higher, bulls could book up to 30% gains on the back of this breakout trade. In this video, we will talk about this is exactly how SHIB will drop zero this week. Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price is getting bullish intervention with its price action. Throughout the European session, the 200-day Simple Moving Average, or SMA, provided support this Wednesday and kept price action above $0.000001000. Bulls are brushing against that red descending trend line that'll be the line in the sand for a breakout. SHIB bulls have the upside in their favor as the breakout is not bearing any firm resistance levels until the 55-day SMA. That one is just above $0.0001200 and means that bulls can reclaim that psychological number. Should more tailwinds come in from the influential gaming expo, that is, SHIB could see more inflow at $0.0001300 by Friday in its forecast. The bigger risk to the downside comes from the green ascending trend line. Although the area below that $0.0001000 level is very choppy, with the monthly S1 and that red line at $0.000000966 for the low of March, it could trigger a catalyst move once breached. A quick nosedive move to $0.000000738 could be the result. The world's second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, continues to expand its footprint market-wide. In the latest development, the Shiba Inu community has pushed the listing of SHIB tokens to major Japanese crypto exchanges. Bitflyer, one of the largest exchanges operating in Japan with over 2.5 million users, announced that it would start offering support for trading SHIB tokens. The announcement from Bitflyer came earlier today on March 22nd. The Japan-based Bitflyer has yet to reveal any specific details of its plan. However, it announced a SHIB handling commemoration with a 10,000 Japanese yen prize pool of 20 eligible winners. The campaign will start today, as in March 22nd, and end soon as Bitflyer starts handling SHIB. Bitflyer is not the first Japanese crypto exchange to handle SHIB transactions. Last month, on February 28th, OK Coin Japan, the Japanese subsidiary of the San Francisco-based exchange OK Coin, started handling SHIB transactions. Besides, the exchange also reported a positive response to the Shiba Inu listing. In another development, meme coin Shiba Inu also observed a massive jump in its burn rate, shot up all the way by 4,600%. The burn rate denotes the portion of tokens removed from circulation, thereby effectively shrinking the total supply for the SHIB crypto. By theory, this dramatic increase in SHIB's burn rate should lead to a higher valuation for the cryptocurrency, as it effectively reduces the supply. However, the market price of Shiba Inu hasn't shown much movement and remained effectively stable, thereby confusing the investors. As of press time, the Shiba Inu meme coin is trading at $0.0001087, with a market cap of $6.4 billion. While the broader cryptocurrency market rallied this month, Shiba Inu chose not to participate in the rally. Over the last 2 weeks, the SHIB price has undergone limited fluctuations while hinting that large-scale traders and investors are uncertain about the crypto's future. Also, the core development team at Shiba Inu has been lagging behind with the launch of the Layer 2 scalability protocol Shibarium. Furthermore, there are other projects waiting in line for the launch of Shibarium. The much-anticipated SHIB the Metaverse has been announced to be launched on the Shibarium platform. While Shiba Inu has been a very slow mover in the recent market rally, some analysts still remain bullish about it. Popular crypto enthusiast David Gokhshtein recently said that his bet of SHIB at $0.01 still remains valid, with Balaji Srinivasan betting for BTC price to be at $1 million. However, this would mean a massive 100 times gains for the current SHIB price. If not, Gokhshtein has promised to delete his Twitter with 700,000 followers. A crypto wallet holding a large number of Shiba Inu tokens is moving funds to exchanges, with historical data suggesting a decline in prices in the short term if the holder were to sell the tokens. Wallet 0xD6 moved more than 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens to crypto exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com during Asian morning hours on Monday. Data cited from analytics firm Urgunt shows. 3 months ago, the same wallet moved more than 200 billion Shib to Crypto.com, selling them for US dollars. Shib's price fell 7% at the time. Tracking the movement of tokens from wallets that hold a significant amount of supply can serve as an indicator of price activity. If a large number of tokens are sold, the price might decline as a greater supply is available to the market. If the tokens are moved to related decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, however, prices may not drop immediately. Etherscan data shows the wallet 0xD6 holds more than 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at almost $40 million at current prices. That is slightly over 0.3% of the total supply of Shiba Inu tokens. Urgunt said the wallet acquired Shiba Inu tokens in August 2020 with an initial investment of 10 Ether ETH, or just over $3,000 at the time. Shiba Inu coin price has been trading sideways despite a surge in Bitcoin price. The meme coin is currently lagging behind most altcoins as BTC battles with its $28,000 resistance. Shib price chart appears to be the calm before the storm as the holders await the launch of its Layer 2 network. On Friday, Shib is showing minor gains of 0.85%. At press time, the popular meme coin is trading at $0.00001067. The coin is 10.8% up from its monthly lows and 32% below its YTD highs. At the moment, Shib's price appears to be in sideways accumulation, signaling that a big move might be on the horizon. Lately, most of the Shib news has been regarding the much-awaited launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. This has become one of the most anticipated events for the meme coin community, as this can create upward pressure on the Shiba Inu coin price. The developers of the new blockchain are still keeping cards close to their chests, and the mainnet launch date is yet to be announced. The public beta version of the network is already live since March 11th. However, the hype of the new meme coin blockchain has taken a hit due to the use of a chain ID for an existing blockchain. This was mentioned by a community member in the Discord. The following Shib chart shows that the price has created a lower low on the daily chart. Technically, analysts consider this as a sign of weakness and a start of a potential downtrend. Furthermore, the price is consolidating below the $0.00001086 support and trading below its 200-day moving average. The Koyo token is a decentralized finance project, DeFi, based on the Ethereum blockchain that aims to provide a platform where users can access various financial services, including lending, borrowing, and staking in a decentralized manner. The platform's native cryptocurrency is the Koyo token. This serves as a payment method for accessing the various financial services on the platform. According to CoinMarketCap, the token is ranked number 3,180 and has a market cap of just $8.4 million. Nevertheless, the project has burned a whopping 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, roughly $50,000 in the last 10 days, contributing much of Shib's destruction in the last 2 weeks. The amount has even sparked debate over whether the numbers are accurate. However, ShibBurn, Shiba Inu's dedicated burn tracker, recently confirmed the numbers. Shiba Inu tokens were burned through the burn portal. The proof of the burn tokens is the amount of burnt Shib tokens that can be attributed to the Koyo token address. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.